If you've ever said to yourself, how the hell did I get into this mess? Or what was I thinking of when I decided to get into being an entrepreneur? You're not alone. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create content for entrepreneurial energy healers and light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, continue watching. We've all had great ideas in our heads, right? But not so much when it comes to implementing it in reality. Being an entrepreneur sounds so romantic and exciting. And you know, when you watch videos and you see other people, they make it sound so amazing, and it's just the most wonderful thing you can ever get yourself into. And it really is, once you get the hang of it. It's like getting married or having a baby. It's all exciting and it's just wonderful, but until you're in it and realize that you have been bamboozled, hoodwinked. As a spiritual entrepreneur, to be successful, and this is a subjective thing, it's important to either already have these three things or you are in the process of cultivating these three traits. So what are these three traits every successful entrepreneur must have, or at least start to cultivate? Number one, every successful entrepreneur must have resilience. You will be tested over and over again on your patience, your knowledge, your skill set level, your physical, your emotional, your mental, and your spiritual self. So you must have resiliency to bounce back whenever you get yourself knocked on your butt. You've got to be able to get back up when you get knocked down. Every successful entrepreneur must have confidence. If you're calling yourself an entrepreneur, then you definitely already have confidence. Now, of course, you have to back it up. And that could only happen by what you create, what you do or produce, as well as the result that you get. You must have confidence about the path that you're on and the path that you're following. And you also must know that sometimes you might have to do some of this alone for a time. Just for a time, or at least at the beginning of it. Every successful entrepreneur must be innovative. And I know that you've got this in spades. I know you've got a lot of it, because if you are in the spiritual business, you definitely are one of the chosen few, and you've got loads and loads of imagination, innovation. You're just a total package. Spiritual entrepreneurs are very special and expressive. So yeah, you've got this. You've got this in the bag. If you feel that you're short in some of these areas, that's all right. As a spiritual entrepreneur, you have the imagination to tap right into any one of these areas and imagine what that would feel like, and you imagine what that would be like, and just create that world. Create that in your mind, because that's really where it starts from. As a spiritual entrepreneur, tap into your spirit. Allow it to guide you to what, where, who, how, when all of this will take place. And very quickly, you'll be well on your way. Make sure you download your demo kit in the description box below to help you to get started on your road to success. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And remember to hit that notification bell for my next upcoming video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.